Welcome to this tutorial on Etoro Watchlist, a powerful tool designed to help you stay on top of the markets and make informed investment decisions. The Etoro Watchlist is a customizable list of financial instruments that allows you to track and monitor the performance of your favorite assets in real time. To get started, you need to have an Etoro account. Once you are logged in, you can access the Watchlist feature by clicking on the Watchlist tab. Here, you can create a new watchlist or add assets to an existing one. You can add a wide range of financial instruments, including stocks, commodities, currencies, and cryptocurrencies. The watchlist provides you with a snapshot of each asset's current price, daily change, and market sentiment. You can also view detailed charts and analysis tools to help you make more informed decisions. One of the key features of the watchlist is the ability to set price alerts, which notify you when an asset reaches a specific price level. To add an asset to your watchlist, simply search for the instrument and click the plus icon next to it. You can also remove assets from your watchlist by clicking the minus icon. The watchlist is fully customizable, allowing you to prioritize the assets that matter most to you. Best practices for using the Etoro Watchlist include regularly reviewing and updating your list to ensure it remains relevant to your investment goals. You should also use the watchlist in conjunction with other Etoro tools, such as the news feed and market analysis, to stay informed and up to date. By using the Etoro Watchlist effectively, you can streamline your investment process, stay on top of market trends, and make more informed decisions. The watchlist is a valuable resource for both beginner and experienced investors, providing a clear and concise way to track and analyze the markets. With the Etoro Watchlist, you can take control of your investments and achieve your financial goals.